inverse, never repeat from first and second quadrant the values. Okay, the first we read this, then second one, this also the principal domain. If you see the sign have domain as this, but sign inverse have the inverse because it is an inverse function. So the range principal branch is become minus pi to pi by 2, which is the domain of sign, that is the range of sign inverse. The principal value branch is also called range. Okay, so if you see the sign interchange, sign inverse interchange the domain and range with the sign. Okay, if you see simply you see the sign is cross multiplied, means sign the domain is become range of sign inverse and the range of this become domain. We already studied in the last class. Okay, and the meaning of sign inverse is doesn't mean it is sin x to the power minus 1. This is sign inverse. We read as this is power minus 1. Is the never meaning it is a sign inverse. And these are the formulae we already discussed. The first formula, second formula we already discussed. And today we start the question on the fourth formula, that is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy if xy is less than 1. It is very important thing. In this case, xy is less than 1. But when we have xy is greater than 1, then the formula, the third part, third part, pi plus. Would you take screenshot of this or note this?
Screen not visible.
This is the exercise. Okay. Because this is these are the formulae we already studied last class. Only to copy down.
It is still the same.
Yes, ma'am.
So the slide is still the same.
Okay, ma'am. Because this is the exercise 2.1 we already done in the last class. Okay. Then this is the exercise 2.0 already हमने questions किए थे. These are the questions in type 1. We have 4 type of question in inverse trigo. So this is a type 1 question, and their questions already be done. They are also done. I can ask in this way: the sin inverse sin pi by 3 or cos of cos inverse cos pi by 3. The two ways. Okay, they already be done. Okay, so some problem we are facing in the slide are not in this. So, okay, we start on the board. So today we start the question type third. The type third is first we start on the board. Okay, in type 1 we have this type of question. Type 1 we have 2 type of question. One is sin inverse sin 2 pi by 3, and the second one is cos inverse of sin inverse pi by 3. Yeah, 3 by 5. Okay, so they can ask in this way or in this way. For this we make a triangle, and for the triangle, with the help of triangle, we change sin inverse into cos inverse. And this is the question we start with the condition if it is lies between minus 5 to pi by 2, so it will be cancelled. Okay, and in type 2, we start the question of this type of question: tan inverse half plus tan inverse 1 by 3. We have 4 type of question in inverse trigo. So this is the question. They given again the same question is they can write 2 times of tan inverse half. They can create one column in this way. If they write 2 here, okay. If they write 2 here, then that is very simple. You can write 2 times 2 tan inverse half plus tan inverse half. You can write tan inverse half plus tan inverse half. Then you apply the formula here. Then again here. Okay. In third type, they can change this sin inverse 2 by 3 plus cos inverse 4 by 5. And then he says prove tan inverse to 3 by 5. Okay, so you change the sin inverse and cos inverse into tan inverse by the help of triangle, then you will apply the formula. So today we discuss type third question. Okay, so these are the already questions we done in the last class, previous classes. Okay, type 1, type 2, both are the done in previous classes. Now we start today type third. So this is very important. यहाँ से inverse trigo important शुरू होती है. Okay, this is type 3. He says not to prove. We are not saying it is to prove. He says find the values of x. Yani these are the questions for solve for x. These are the questions solve for x. Okay. He says find the values of x. And solve for x again have 3 type of questions. मैं भी बताऊंगा आपको, but this is the first type question. Tan inverse x equal to tan inverse half. And he says, what is the values of x? So you can directly compare. Because both the sides are equal. Therefore, the values of x is half. That means the values of x is half. अब वो आपको क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर सकता है? ये given second problem, he says कि this tan inverse x is pi by 4. They are not given tan inverse on the right side. So now you cannot compare, because you can compare only when the both are the tan inverse. Then you can say x is half. But here is tan inverse and here is the pi by 4. So you cannot calculate x. Then it's very simple. Tan pi by 4 is what? Tan pi by 4 is 1. And then pi by 4, the meaning of pi by 4 means it is tan inverse 1. So this implies this is tan inverse of x. This pi by 4 we can replace with tan inverse of 1. Then what is the values of x? That is 1. Okay. Now on the next step, he says that this is the question, tan inverse x. Now they are given, he says tan inverse x. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse 2x is equals to 3 pi by 4. Yeah, pi by 4. Now he says what is the values of x. But the problem is that he says tan inverse x plus tan inverse 2x. Again, tan inverse x nahi hota. When you change it is tan inverse 1 and you can find the values of 2x. But here you have tan inverse x. So this is type 1. This is the first type of question. We have three type of question in this. This is the type 1 question. What we do, very simple. We apply the formula because this is not given. It is greater than 1. X into 2x is greater than 1 or less than 1. So we take that is less than 1. And after that, when we get the answer, so according we can decide the answer. Okay, it is the value satisfied to the equation or not. So this is we apply the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. This pi by 4 we convert as tan inverse 1. Again, see, we have only one concept. If it is tan inverse, this is tan inverse. That at that condition you can compare both the values. Okay. Now we have tan inverse x plus tan inverse x. So we have a formula already we discussed in the last class. That is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is the formula tan inverse x plus y 1 minus xy. We have already this formula. Okay, this we already discussed the formula. We apply this. This is your x. This is your y. Then we apply the formula. Now what we get, that is 3x upon 1 minus 2x square is equals to 1. Then we cross multiply. Okay, we have cross multiply, then we get the values of x. This is the values of x. We can calculate by splitting, we get the answer. Okay, by the help of splitting, we get the answer. This is the values of x. If the splitting is not done, then you can find the values of x by the help of d. So therefore, again you see what we do. We are applying the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. We apply the formula tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. And pi by 4 we convert as tan inverse 1. Because the values of tan 45 is 1. So we apply this is tan 45 is 1. So this we can compare it. We can compare and we get the answer. Okay. We can compare this and we get the answer. This is 2x, 3x into 1 minus 2x square. Then by the splitting, by the help of splitting, we get the values of x. Okay. So now you do these questions. Okay. I am giving you. आपको start करना है. Then first question is for 12th A. Similarly, because this is your screen. Okay, 1 minute. So these are the questions we already done. Okay, this is the question for homework. Please go copy कर लीजिए. You take copy. These are the homework we already discussed the last class. So today we start type 1. Okay, this is the type 1. Okay, this is the question of type 1. The question is solve for x. Solve for x. The first question is for 12A. Okay, the first question is for 12A, second is for 12B, third is for 12C, and the fourth one is for 12EFG. Okay, so start 12A class start. The rest of the 3 questions are homework for the rest of the class. Okay, so 12A do the first question. Please start the first question. 12B start second question. When I say 12A reply, then only 12A reply. Okay. When I say 12A reply, then only 12A is reply. Then अब देखेंगे which class give the maximum answer. Which class give the maximum answer? I again announce that name of that class. This class is the winner of today. So start first part. That is very easy. You apply a formula and solve for x. These are the questions. Solve for x. They are not saying to prove left side equal to right side. They are saying prove left LHS equal to RHS. Board is also visible. So you can see also on board this type of question we already done on board. So start the first question. I give the answers. In fourth part, they are given 2 tan inverse cos x. So you write tan inverse cos x plus tan inverse cos x. Then you can apply the formula. Okay. So start 12th A class. 12th A class. The first question for you. Second question for 12B class. Third question is for 12C. I give 5 minutes to you all. Okay. After 5 minutes, please give the answers of the all questions. The first part is simple question. Because if you participate in the classes, if you solve all the question, इस समय में बहुत खुशी मिलती है. ठीक है? These your answers are free for us. To start first part, that is very simple. This is solve for x. 12th A class, reply fast. The first question is for 12th A and the second for 12B. 12B also reply. 12B आपका तो बहुत छोटा क्वेश्चन है. You have replied 12B class. Yes, one answer is come from Radhika. Good beta Radhika, the answer is plus minus 1 by root 2. One, you decide either plus or minus. अब मैं भी आपको बताऊंगा how we decide it is plus or minus. Radhika, good beta. Yes, Muskan is also done. Yes, good beta. Radhika of 12th A, Muskan of 12B. Sorry, A. Dhruv Kejriwal of 12B. Yes, 1 by 6 or minus 1, both are the correct answer, but we decide which answer is correct. Okay, then मैं बताऊंगा आपको how we decide which answer is correct. Okay, I solved this all questions. Yes, 12B. 3 answers come from 12B. Harshit June replied, this is good beta. Harshit June, good. Palak Malhotra, yes, good. Okay, now 12CD, third part, fourth part. देखो, now we are doing second part on the board. Okay, first of all, we start the second part. Stop. Yes. 20 answers we get. Good beta. Good. देखो, now we start the question. This question. Okay, tan inverse x, tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x equal to 5 by 4. ठीक है, ये questions अब मैं board पे कर रहा हूँ. देखो, the simple question, very simple question. He says how we decide which answer is correct. Okay, the one of them answer is correct. You are saying 1 by 6 or minus 1 by 1. Okay, how we find the which answer is correct? Because question is tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x. The second part is tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x is equals to 5 by 4. He says solve the values of x, find the values of x. That is very simple. We apply the formula. This is a type 1. Type 1 is very simple type. Only one concept is there. You make both sides tan inverse and then you compare it. Okay. This is very simple question. But till the formula, it is a question of 12th class. Otherwise, it is a question of 10th class. Okay. This you apply tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x. That is tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. That is equal to tan inverse 1. Now you have 5x upon 1 minus 6x square is equal to 1. So this is 5x 1 minus 6x square. Because जो students class miss करते हैं, then उनके लिए बहुत big problem है. Because three types of the question we have for solve for x, but all the types are not given in NCERT or in exemplar. ठीक है, एक बुक में सारी टाइप्स गिवन नहीं है. तो अटेंड द क्लास तभी आपको मालूम चलेंगे which type of the question we have. So this is 5x minus 1 equal to 0. Now we split it. That is 6x square plus 6x minus 1 equal to 0. 6x is common, then x plus 1 minus 1 is common, x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, then what we get? 6x plus minus 1 and x plus 1 equal to 0. The problem is that you get the values of x's, two values of x's, minus 1 and 1 by 6. One of them is correct and second of them is wrong. Because if you put minus 1 here, so the tan inverse of minus 2, that minus sign outside, then again minus sign outside, but 5 over 4 is in the first quadrant. The value is positive here. So x equal to minus 1 is not satisfy your answer. Okay, then 1 by 6 is the final answer. This is the final answer. So this is the type 1 question. बहुत very simple. देखो again you see here, you apply the formula. Okay, you apply a formula on the left side. Then you can make tan inverse. Both the side you make tan inverse. ठीक है, 12 classes में बहुत सारे ने apply किया है. Good बेटा. देखो tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x. That again simple. We apply simply. We have one concept. If we make both side tan. Okay, we make both side tan, and this is the only concept is here. Okay, now the two types of problem they create. दो टाइप्स की प्रॉब्लम आपको क्रिएट करेगा. द वन प्रॉब्लम दे मेक टू हियर. ओके, द वन प्रॉब्लम दे मेक टू हियर. देखो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. You say this is question number 13. They given 2 tan inverse cos x. This is the first problem they create. Okay, the two types of problem they create. One problem is they given 2 tan inverse cos x. 2 tan inverse cos x is equals to tan inverse 2 cosec x. One column they create this one, and the second column in the second part, he says that tan inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x is equal to half of tan inverse x. So these are the two types of problem they create. Okay, now we stop. Because this is the question. Okay, they given 2 here. The first column they create 2, or the second column they given half. Then how we solve this type of problem? Okay, then 2 is very easy. Actually, my concept is that you make both sides tan inverse, and just 2, if it is not 2, then you can compare. But the due to 2, you cannot compare. This is equal to this. Okay, then what we do with 2, we break into 2 parts. देखो ये बहुत simple सी technique है. We break this 2 into 2 parts and then apply the same concept as in tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. We apply same concept. We can do tan inverse cos x plus cos x, यानी कि x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. That means cos x into cos x is equals to tan inverse 2 cosec x. Okay, you solve for x is very important type. We have two type of questions. The first type very simple, that is sin inverse of sin 3 by 4 or sin inverse of cos 3 by 4. The second type based on formula, and third type is this. Okay, now this is 2 cos x upon 1 minus cos square x. Okay, the same thing is 2 upon sin x. So what is the concept behind this question? We create both side tan inverse. We create both side tan inverse. After that we can compare the angle. Okay, now this 2 is cancelled with this 2. So this is cos x upon 1 minus cos square x is sin square x is equals to 1 upon sin x. This sin x is cancelled with the sin x. Then cot x is 1. Then what we have x axis pi by 4. Okay. अब ना आप में कुछ पूछ सकते हैं why we cancel the sin x with the sin x, because this is not given कि x is 0. So 0 is not cannot be possible here. Cos is 0, that is not defined. So x is not 0. X 0 हो ही नहीं सकता क्वेश्चन कंडीशन में. Okay, then x is pi by 4. Now, if they're given half this way, they're given half, so you cannot break half. Then what we do this is 2, we put this side. हम 2 को इस साइड लेके आ गए. Question solve for x है. They are not saying prove left side equal to right side. They are saying solve for x. Then the problem with the half, you cannot break into 2 parts because it is a half. When we have a concept if tan inverse, both side tan inverse आएगा, then you can only compare. Then what we do with the half? We cross multiply 2. हमने cross multiply 2 कर दिया. We cross multiply then is equal to tan inverse x. Now this is again break. ठीक है? This is again break into 2 parts. The same method. We break into 2 parts. ठीक है? Then we apply the formula and we get the answer. So this is your for you. Okay, you solve this question and give the answer. You please solve this question. Tan inverse. देखो what we do here. We got half multiply. To multiply the right side, we multiply 2 to right side. We multiply 2 to right side, we cross multiply. Then we have 2 tan inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. We break into 2 parts. Then we apply the formula. Okay, now you start this question and give the answer. Okay, मैं जिसका name लूँगा, only that student reply to me. Okay, solve all of the you solve this question. We only take name of one student and then reply only me. Okay, that student reply to me. You start this question. This is very easy. Okay, we cross multiply 2 and we get 2 tan inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. We again break into 2 parts. How we break? We write 2 times because the concept is only when we have tan inverse both the sides, then you can compare only. Okay, but the right side is half, so we multiply by half, cross multiply, and we get the answer. You start the reply to me. Okay, the one student already, Divyasha, 12th. Yes, beta, good, good, good. 1 by root 3 is the answer. Yes, good, good. Divyasha, good, beta. Yes, I give 2 minutes to you. Please solve this question. Okay, are you single of 12B class? Please reply me, beta. Are you single of 12B class? Please reply. Okay, 12B, are you single? Reply your answer. Yes, Harshit Gupta replied to me. Yes, good beta. But I'm saying, are you single? 12B class. Are you listening me? Are you single? Because this is very simple question. You apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, and then you can solve for x. Okay. Yes. Are you single? Answer दे दिया है. Good beta. Good, good, good. Are you single? Reply to me. Yes. Good beta. देखो 1 minute. Please always carefully see your screen and listen to me. I take a name of one student and then that student reply to me. देखो अब मैं solve कर रहा हूँ इसको. Okay. Now we have shortcut for this question also. We have a shortcut. अगर आपका mind अभी बाद में चलेगा, ठीक है? We have also shortcut for this question. देखो this is tan inverse. ठीक है? We have also shortcut. This is 1 minus x. You can write 1 plus 1 into x. If you write in this way, ठीक है? This is also ये धीरे 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 आपका mind चलेगा इसमें. देखो what we do here, we apply 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. The 1 plus x we put 1 into 1 plus x. Okay, मैंने उसको break कर दिया. So what we have here now, this is the formula. देखो tan inverse. We have a formula of tan inverse x minus tan inverse of y. That formula is tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy. If you compare with this, so देखो this is tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse of x is equals to half of tan inverse x. Now tan inverse 1 is what? That is pi by 4. This is also solution of this question. That is half of tan inverse x. Now this tan inverse x we take that side. What we get? That is 3 by 2 tan inverse of x. Now what is the values of tan inverse x? That is pi by 4 into 2 by 3. Now this 2 is cancelled with this 2, then tan inverse x is equals to tan inverse x is equal to pi by 6. Now that x is equals to tan pi by 6. Now what is tan pi by 6? Tan pi by 6, tan 30 degree. That is 1 by root 3. So this is also a question of this type. Now we have three type of questions. In this solve for x, we have three type of questions. Please pause carefully now you see your screen. Okay, you see your screen. This is very, 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 very important questions because these are the very important questions. This is type 1. That is type 1 question. Okay, this is type 1. Because this is type 1 when you have simple question and you get the answer. These answers, these questions are given in screen. This is type 2. What is the difference between type 1 and type 2? Type 2 is all board by IT. Okay, type 2 is in 4 marks. Type 2 is not in NCERT. Type 2 is in exemplar. Okay, this is the type 1 having sin inverse, tan inverse. But in type 2, you have sin inverse and cos inverse. Because this is the difference between type 1 and type 2. Type 1 having tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. But while type 2 is having different thing. Type 2 has sin inverse and cos inverse. Because type 2 and type 1 are different, both are the different. Okay, both are the different questions. This is the first type 1. Again, you see in type 1, we have tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, but in type 2, we have sin inverse x plus sin inverse y. They have different methods. And type 3, you have again tan inverse, but they are the bigger term. You cannot apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Because these are the three type of questions. The type 1, you have tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, you apply the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. But in type 2, you have different type of questions. So how we solve type 2? I'm solving on the board, but this is a different type of question. Okay. So we have three type of question. Again, see, this is type 1. type 2 and this is type 3. In type 3, we have the formula same as tan inverse, but we cannot apply the formula because the angle has bigger term. In type 1, we have small term, so we can use tan inverse x plus 1 y, but in type 3, we cannot use this one. Okay, so all the type have different method. This type 2, that is not in NCERT. Only the fourth question given in NCERT, that is a question of miscellaneous exercise. Okay, so this question is come this time board class. Okay, और बहुत बच्चों से क्लास में नहीं हो रहा था because this is a question from exemplar. जो बच्चे क्लास मिस करते हैं, they again have the same problem. They are not seeing the type wise question because already we say that we have two type of book. One is calculus, second is non-calculus. Non-calculus is based on your notes. So every time you attend the class, then you can make your notes. Otherwise, notes market से नहीं मिलते हैं. ठीक है, notes आपको खुद prepare करने होते हैं. So this is the type 1 question. We have 10 words. This is the type 2 question. So we start type 2 now. Okay, we start type 2 question. In type 2, you have sin inverse x plus sin inverse y. So what is the difference between sin inverse and tan inverse? Okay. Some of the students saying कि how we can change sin inverse into tan inverse, then we can solve the question. That is the problem. देखो, this is question sin inverse x plus sin inverse 2x is equals to pi by 6. He says solve this question. Okay. Another problem is that if you change sin into tan inverse, okay, if you change sin inverse into tan inverse by making a triangle, so the term is very bigger. Term is you cannot apply tan inverse x upon and root 1 minus x square. Then there is a problem. You cannot apply the formula here. Okay, आप formula apply नहीं कर पाओगे. Then again you have a problem. You cannot apply the formula here. So what we do here, देखो, this is very important. We have two methods for this type of question. This is type 2 question. So please copy down this question. फिर मैं आपको इसके क्वेश्चन दूंगा. You solve type 2. This is type 2. We have two methods for type 2. The one method is we take one of sin inverse that side. Okay, we are taking one of the sin and that side. बहुत आराम से देखो. See carefully your screen. Okay, all the type have same method. You can only change the values. आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. So already I say these questions are based on notes. Okay, we have all of type of questions. So all type 1 have same method, type 2 have same method, type 3 have same method. Okay, but just only आपके पास तीनों types होनी चाहिए. So what we do here, one sin inverse we take that side. Okay, now this sin we again take that side again. because question को मैं फिर से repeat करूँगा. We take sin inverse this side. Again you see please, we are taking one sin inverse on the right side. We are moving one sin inverse in the right side. That right side means pi by 6 minus sin inverse 2x. Then sin inverse x. We again take sin on that side. Okay. We are changing sign that side. So what we do now? Because this is sin a minus b. We apply formula that is sin a minus b. This is the sin a minus b. So if you remember the formula of sin a minus b is sin a यानी कि sin pi by 6. Okay, 1 minute, sorry. Please. We change this question. This is pi by 3. Okay, so this is sin pi by 3. Then cos of sin A sin B, that is cos pi by 3. Cos of sin inverse 2x. Then cos A, यानी cos pi by 3. Then sin B, यानी कि sin inverse of sin 2x. Again see. देखो ऐसा नहीं कि pi by 6 से solve नहीं होगा. Pi by 6 also can solve. If you want pi by 6, तो pi by 6 से भी solve हो जाएगा. That's no problem. Okay, the angle maybe pi by 6, maybe pi by 3. मैं दोनों से solve करके दिखाता हूँ. So first we solve with pi by 6, then we solve with pi by 3. Okay. So देखो what we do here. देखो again you see one sin inverse 2x. We put that side, second side. Again we repeat the question. We're taking sin inverse 2x on the right side. Okay. This is pi by 6 minus sin inverse x. Now this sign we put on that side. Okay. Now we are applying the formula sin a minus sin b. We are applying the formula sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. We apply the formula. Now what we get, this is x. Sin pi by 6 is, देखो sin pi by 6 is sin 30 degree. That means half. Okay, this is the half. Now sin inverse 2x and this is cos. This is sin, this is cos. Again the problem is same. This cannot be cancelled because we have sin inverse and we have cos. So what we do here, we make a triangle for it. We make a triangle. The triangle is 2x upon, this is 2x upon 1. Okay, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So what we get here, under root 1 minus 4x square. देखो this type of question not given in NCERT. we again repeat this question. अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, then we again repeat from the starting. देखो, this is cos, this is sin inverse, cos inverse. Because this is cos, so we required cos inside. Cos is based upon hypotenuse 1 minus 4x square. Okay. Now cos pi by 6 is cos 30 degree. That is root 3 by 2. Now sin is cancelled with sin. We get 2x. This 2 is cancelled with this 2. Okay. Then again we repeat. Again the same repeat. The type 2 solves all the questions solved in this method. Okay. We put this sin inverse on the right side. We are taking sin inverse on the right side. Then this is sin minus sin inverse 2x. Then this sign on this side. Okay. Then we apply the formula sin A minus B. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Now this sign is cancelled with the sign because both have sign. But this time we have this sign and this is cos. So if it is cos, then it only cancel. Okay. So we convert by the help of triangle. We convert into cos inverse. So already discussed in the last class how we convert this sin inverse into cos. We make a triangle for it. Triangle means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Then we, by the Pythagoras theorem, we get this value. Now the cos inverse is based upon the hypotenuse. This means under root 1 minus 4x square by 1. Now this 2 is cancelled with 2. This we take this side x 1 plus root 3. And this one is half under root 1 minus 4x square. Then by the help of squaring both the sides, we get the values of x. We can find the values of x by the help of squaring. Okay, again, carefully you see the question. If you have any problem, you know, one student saying something, 1 minute. Okay, take this, please repeat. Okay, he's saying, Siddhant saying, please repeat this question again. Again we repeat this question, that's no problem. Okay, we repeat this question. We are taking another question of this, but again, my question similarly same question मैं दोबारा से करूँगा. Then you see the question. Okay, this is sin inverse x plus sin inverse 2x. We're putting one sin inverse on that side. अब why we cannot apply the formula sin inverse x plus sin inverse y? Because we are having the formula sin inverse x plus sin inverse y. तो उसको हम यहाँ क्यों नहीं use कर रहे? देखो, the formula is sin inverse x into 1 minus 4x square 2x into under 1 minus x square equal to sin inverse, that is half. The problem is that the formula is very complicated. This formula is very complicated. So if you use this formula here, so you have a complicated equation, and that can be solved because we have 2 square root in that question, and 2 square root means you solve both 2 times, you square 2 times, and the power 4 come आ जाए, power 4 आ जाएगी. That's again big problem. So what we do? मैंने sin inverse 2x को उस side ले गया. We taking sin inverse 2x that side. Then this is the situation. Now the one sin inverse we again put on the side. Then we apply the formula sin A minus B. We consider this one is A and this one is B. देखो, this is not in NCERT, but ये board में ऐसा आया हुआ है question. Okay, this one question, this is the same. Now we apply sin A minus B, that is sin A cos B. देखो, this is sin A cos B. B is this one, so cos B minus cos A sin B. Now this sin pi by 6, we have the values, but the sin inverse is the cos. Then again we change this cos inverse by the help of triangle in cos inverse. We are changing this value. Now this cos is cancelled with this cos, this sin is cancelled with the sin. We put x on that right side. Then the help of squaring. Okay, by the help of squaring, we get the values of x. अब हम इसको एक साइड ले आएंगे and then we solve for x. Okay, एक क्वेश्चन मैं और करके दिखा रहा हूं आपको. Then I give you this question. Again you see the same thing we do with cos inverse. Okay, if this question is in cos inverse, then we again do the same thing. The sin inverse and cos inverse अगर कॉपी नहीं किया तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ये सेम क्वेश्चन दोबारा से सॉल्व कर रहा हूं. Okay, this is the same concept with the cos inverse. Okay, देखो the same thing. We are taking one number that second side. Okay, बहुत ही see carefully. All the question of type 2 have same method. Now we take this cos next side. Now we are applying the formula cos A minus B होता है cos A cos B minus cos A sin B. So sin pi by 6 and sin B. Now this is x cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2. This 2 is cancelled with 2. 1 मिनट अब हम pi by 3 कर लेते हैं. उसके बाद हमने पाई बाय 6 लिया था, नाउ वी आर टेकिंग पाई बाय 3. देखो cos पाई बाय 3 is cos 60 degree, that is half. Sin pi by 3 is sin 60 degree, root 3 by 2. देखो the again same problem, we have cos, sin and cos, we make a triangle for it. So this is sin inverse perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This 2 is cancel this 2 and we get the values of x. देखिए x x cancel हो रहा है by chance, ऐसा नहीं होता है हमेशा, ठीक है. This x is cancel with x, no problem. This is under root 1 minus 4x square, squaring both the sides. And we get the values of x is plus minus 1 by root 2. Minus value is not satisfied here. So x is 1 by root 2. Okay, again see 1 by 2, sorry, 1 by root 2 nahi hai, 1 by 2, sorry. Because 4 is there. Okay, again you see what we do. देखो मैं 1 cos inverse को से लेके गया. We are taking cos inverse, 1 cos inverse is put on the right side. Then this cos on the side. We apply the formula cos A minus cos B. And simply we solve. Okay, now I'm giving you a question. Okay, please you start one question. I'm giving you a question. You start the question number. Question number. Second question. You start with the second question. Please you start second question and give the answer. Okay, I see who give the fastest answer. Okay, who give the fastest answer? Please solve second part and 1, 3rd, 4th, 5th is the homework. Second question, I'm giving you 5 minutes. You solve second question. I'm waiting the fastest answer. Okay, who give the fastest answer of this question? मैं इसके लिए clap करूँगा है ना? Clapping for that student. Who give the fastest answer of this question? The one student saying, why we not consider the minus half answer? Because if you put minus half, the right side is pi by 3. That means the first quadrant. In first quadrant, the problem we have. Yes, Kishan Arang of 12D gave the answer, but they are taking long method. X to the power 4 he solved. By chance x to the power 4 is cancelled both the sides. Okay, but no problem. Kishan Arang give the first. The second student give the answer. Yes. Because it's a simple thing. We take one cos that side. Okay, there's no need to take sin versus x is a, but that's not a wrong method. Yes, Dipesh, give the fastest answer. The answer is 3 by root 28. The correct answer is 3 by root 28. Yes, good. 5 students with the answer. Good, beta. Lakshya ने भी आंसर दिया है मुझे. Yes, good. David Sapra of 12C, admission number 11749. They gave also answer. Good, beta. So please copy the rest question. Now start fourth question. देखो, I'm doing fourth question. जो बच्चे कुछ different method से solve कर रहे हैं, they cannot apply that method in the fourth question because in fourth question we have 2. Okay, now I'm starting fourth question. So please see also this method. Yes, good, beta, good. 10, 15 students give the answer. Good, 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 good. Now I'm starting fourth question. This fourth question is from NCERT. Okay, this is the question from miscellaneous. So I'm starting fourth question. But you copy down all the questions. ठीक है, मैंने आपको 2 minutes दिए गए. You copy or you note down this slide. The fourth question is sin inverse. देखो जो स्टूडेंट्स इसको डिफरेंट मेथड से कर रहे हैं, they are taking this is sin one is sine A, sine B. They cannot apply this method in this question. Okay, that is pi by 2. Yes. Good, good, beta. So many students give the answer. Good, 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 good. Good. Aishwarya also given the answer. Good, beta, Aishwarya. Good, good. देखो अब मैं सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ फोर्थ क्वेश्चन. प्लीज सी योर बोर्ड नाउ. देखो दिस इज sin inverse 1 minus x. Because you try to attend all the classes because this is non-calculus, okay? And that based on your notes. Notes is very, very important. So if you miss your class, then notes again the same problem. Okay, देखो the fourth question sin inverse 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse x equal to pi by 2. So we apply same method here. Okay, we are taking sin inverse 1 minus x. The one number we take that side. This is pi by 2 plus 2 sin inverse x. Carefully you see this question. This is very, 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 very important question. This is from NCERT. Okay, this is a question of miscellaneous. So therefore we apply the same method because we are using same method for type 1. We are same for type 2. All the type 2s done in the same method. We put one number on that side, then we take sine on that side. Therefore now we are taking sine inverse means sine that side. So this is sine pi by 2 plus 2 sine inverse x. Now you see, you note one thing here. Here you have 90 plus theta. Okay, so no need to apply the formula of sin A plus B because we have sin 90 plus theta. We have direct formula for sin 90 plus theta. What is the formula of sin 90 plus theta? That is cos theta. So we have cos 2 inverse x. Again, you see from the starting, we take one number on that right side. We are taking one number on the right side. Then we convert this sign into here. Then we can also apply sin A plus B, but if because it is a 90, so we can also use sin 90 plus theta. Sin 90 plus theta is cos theta. Now the problem is that this is 2, and this is cos, so it cannot cancel with the this. Because if you convert into cos, then again this 2 creates problem. But now if you suppose this is theta, so this is cos 2 theta. Now cos 2 theta have a formula from 11th class 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay, this is the formula from 11th class. If you again see, if you let it is theta, if you are supposing this is theta, again see, if you let it is theta, if you let it is theta, so it is become cos 2 theta. Now cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So this is 1 minus, we have applied this formula 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Now what we suppose theta? Theta is sin inverse x. Again, see, if you convert into cos inverse, if you convert this sin inverse into cos inverse, then you have a problem, it is 2. So cos is not cancelled with the cos, but what we do here, we are supposing this is theta. So if we suppose this is theta, then it is become cos 2 theta, and we apply this formula. So 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Now what we have? 1 minus x, 1 minus 2x square, because this square we put outside. Now this 1 is cancelled with this 1. Then one thing is very important, we get again two values and both the values is positive. Okay, then for that we check which values is satisfied to the equation. So first of all we check for 0. If we check for 0, sin inverse 1 minus 2 sin inverse 0 is equal to pi by 2. This is pi by 2. Sin inverse 0 is 0. So pi by 2 is equal to pi by 2. That means 0 satisfies the answer. Now we check for half. If we put half here, then we get sin inverse 1 minus half, that is half. Minus 2 sin inverse half is equal to pi by 2. Now sin inverse half is 30 degree, yani pi by 6. Minus 2 into pi by 6 is equal to not pi by 2. So half is not satisfy the equation. Therefore, we get 0 the answer. Half is not the answer of this equation. Okay, so please see, because time is over. So please copy this question. Now I am giving homework to you. Okay, please note down the homework. This is very, very important. I am giving homework to you. Please copy down this slide because this is the main thing. You copy down this and this we discuss in the next class. Type 3 we discuss in the next class. Okay, this is type 2. So today we discuss type 1 and type 2. So please take your this homework. Okay, this is your homework. So please note down this question or take it screenshot. Okay, this is the question for homework. Please solve this question. That's all for today. Stay at home, stay free. Okay. Yes, Charu ma'am.
Anji sir.
Yes, ma'am. Class is over, ma'am.
Right, sir. I was
मैं
waiting for you to
करता हूँ,
stop. I'll
वो एडमिन का पासवर्ड
stop it, sir. Okay, have a nice day, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.